Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to hide your level in Valorant. So basically guys, this method will allows you to hide your level from your enemies and your allies and even your party members and your friends. So how you can actually do that? It is pretty much simple. First of all, I will need you to go ahead and click on play and check if your level is actually showed up. So click on play, and as you can see here at the top of the card, you will see here is my level, which is 41. In order for you guys to actually remove it, there is no settings that such as remove or hide your XP or level. Well, there is hide your name, but there is nothing that is similar to hide level in the settings. But you can hide level through the collection. So go to the collection, and here you will find your armor or your guns collection, here your sprays, and here the player card. So click on the player card, and here you will find like the images that you use on your card. This will skip it, and there we go to the level borders, which is the thing that matters the most for us. So click on level borders. Here you'll find different level borders that you can use for your account. So there's multiple borders. But for us in this tutorial, we don't need these borders. We need to hide actually these borders. So to do so, you just have to go over here, show my account level on my player card, uncheck this, and then go to play. After that, you will notice that your level has disappeared. So if you wanted to make it back, you just have to go to collection once more, click on your card, and then go to level borders, and then shake it back. As you can see here, the level has came back and now it is shown for everybody. So yeah guys, that's how you can hide your level from everyone in Valorant. Thank you a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.